Welcome ladies and gentlemen. In my video, in this video I am going to tell you about top 5 best snipers in 2022. 5. Sakko TRG-42. The Sakko TRG-42 is a Finnish long-range sniper rifle. It is one of the best sniper rifles in the world. It is an improved production version of the previous Sakko TRG-41. Improvements of the TRG-42 over the previous TRG-41 include a new stock design. Also, this weapon was designed to handle more powerful cartridges with a maximum length of 95mm. In 1999, the Sakko TGR-42 replaced in production the previous TRG-41. This sniper rifle is in service with at least 14 countries from all over the world, including the Finnish Defense Forces. It is mainly used by Army units and Special Forces. Also, there are some law enforcement users. 4. Barrett M95. The Barrett M95 is a manual bolt-action anti-materiel and sniper rifle, designed by Barrett Firearms Manufacturing Company. It is an improved production version of the Barrett M90. The major difference is that the pistol grip with the trigger have been moved slightly forward for better magazine clearance. Thus the new weapon is more comfortable to use. In 1995, the Barrett M95 replaced in production the original Barrett M90. The M95 is a company designation, rather than a U.S. military designation. The number in the designation denotes the year 1995, when a working version of the rifle was ready. 3. Accuracy International Arctic Warfare Magnum. The Arctic Warfare Magnum, AWM, is a British sniper rifle. It is a product of Accuracy International Company. It is a more powerful version of the Arctic Warfare sniper rifle, designed to use larger and more powerful Magnum-type cartridges. The word Magnum in the designation denotes the Magnum chambering. This weapon was adopted in 1996. Version chambered for .300 Winchester Magnum is in service with the Czech Republic, Germany, and some other countries. Another version, chambered for .338 Lapua Magnum, was adopted by at least 14 countries. 2. Steyr SSG 69. The Steyr Scharfschutzengewehr 69, or SSG 69, is an Austrian sniper rifle. Externally it resembles a hunting rifle, however it was specially designed as a weapon for military and law enforcement forces. Since the mid-1960s, the Austrian Army was looking for an advanced sniper rifle to equip its own snipers. In 1969, the rifle designed by Steyr was adopted by the Austrian Army as a standard sniper weapon, hence its designation. After the breakup of the Steyr-Daimler-Puch company, its firearm manufacturing division became independent. Since 1987 to 1989, this sniper rifle was produced by Steyr-Mannlicher. 1. Barrett M82. The Barrett M82 is a semi-automatic anti-materiel rifle, designed and developed by Barrett Firearms Manufacturing Company. Development of this powerful anti-materiel rifle began in the early 1980s. Working versions were ready by 1982, hence the designation M82. It is worth noting that the M82 is a company designation, rather than a U.S. military designation. The company successfully sold 100 rifles to Swedish Armed Forces in 1989. In 1990 to 1991, U.S. Marine Corps obtained around 125 of these rifles. Soon followed orders from the U.S. Army and Air Force. Thanks for watching my video. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.